6 things you must not tolerate from a woman if you want her to chase. Have you ever wondered why some women chase certain men while others seem to ignore you completely? The answer lies in the things you tolerate. Today, I'm going to show you 6 behaviors you need to stop immediately if you want her to start chasing you. Plus, there's a super bonus from another video that will help you once and for all master the art of winning her over. So drop a like, subscribe, and watch the whole video to seize this opportunity. Stick around until the end because the last point is the most crucial and the most ignored by almost all men. Topic 1. Disguised disinterest with "I'm busy." She always says she's busy, has no time, or is swamped with commitments. This is a clear sign she's emotionally benching you. What should you do? Don't insist. Calmly step back and let her feel your absence. When you become scarce, you become valuable. Topic 2. Empty or monosyllabic messages. You send a thoughtful message and she replies with a "cuck," "sure," or "you know." This is her playing the role of the emotional superior. Ideal response? Match her energy level, or simply don't reply. Who gives little receives little, and that's when she starts putting in more effort. Topic 3. Provocations to make you chase. She posts photos with other guys, says she's got plenty of options, or drops lines like, "You're not even in my top 3. This is an emotional trap to make you feel insecure and chase her. Do the opposite. Ignore and keep your energy steady. When she realizes this doesn't faze you, she'll start trying to grab your attention at any cost. Bonus: as soon as this video ends, run to the description or comments because I left a link for you to learn once and for all how to master the situation. You'll be the one they covet. Don't forget to check it out right after this video. Topic 4. Lack of initiative or reciprocity. If you're the only one starting conversations, inviting her out or putting in effort, she already knows she's got you on a leash. The right approach? If she doesn't invest, you shouldn't either. This creates a challenge in her mind. And when a man becomes a real challenge, she activates her pursuit instinct and starts investing. Topic 5. Subtle disrespect in public or social provocation. She belittles you in front of friends, makes jokes about you in public, or compares you to other guys. If you smile and pretend it's just a joke, you're lowering your value. Lead with confidence. You think you're joking, but this kind of attitude says way more about you than it does about me. A man who stands up with elegance and firmness commands respect, and that's the foundation of desire. Topic 6. Lack of praise, emotional involvement, or recognition. If she never compliments you, never notices you, or never shows pride in being with you, she's already assumed she's on a higher level and feels way too secure. Don't tolerate this. It shows she doesn't see value in what you bring to the table. Reduce your attention, disappear, and withdraw your presence. When she starts feeling the absence of your energy, she'll come looking. Simple as that. Reinforcing transformation, plus assertion of power. If you want a woman to chase you, you need to make it clear from the very first moment that you're not emotionally available for crumbs. You choose yourself before trying to be chosen by others. Every time you tolerate disrespect, masked neediness, or malicious provocations, you're draining your masculine energy. But every time you stand your ground without fear of losing her, you automatically activate her instinct for respect and desire. You stop being just another guy and become the man she can't ignore. If this video made you realize something you've been tolerating in silence, drop a like, share a situation you've been through in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. This isn't a place for victimhood. This is where men wake up and take control.